Hi everyone, is portrait zoom not working on your iPhone camera? Let's fix it quickly. Step 1. Check camera mode. First open the camera app and switch to portrait mode. Zoom only works properly in the correct mode. Step 2. Use portrait lens. Some iPhones only support zoom in specific lenses. Try switching between 1x and 2x to see if it works. Step 3. Clean the camera lens. Wipe your camera lens with a soft cloth. Dust or smudges can affect focus and zoom. Step 4. Restart your iPhone. Restart your iPhone. This fixes temporary camera glitches. Step 5. Update iOS. Go to Settings, General, Software Update. Install the latest update to fix camera bugs. And that's it. Your portrait zoom should be working now. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe and share for more quick iPhone tips.